Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, I will teach you on how to write a program that will display the student records using the concept of encapsulation in Python programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today for free in my two websites. Okay, so we have here the class students, and then I have here a function, student name, student underscore age, student underscore grade, self name, and then we have here the main, and then we have the first student, Juliana Ray Pomperada, age 16, grade is 92. So we have here the title, display the record of the student, and then we have also the other student, Jacob Samuel Pomperada, the age is 18, set grade we have 88. So we will display the output here. And the program, thank you for using this program. As I said earlier, I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today for free in my two websites. Let us click the run button here to see the output. Wait for a while. Let's run. Okay, we have here the output. So student records using encapsulation in Python, display student record. The first student is Juliana Ray Pomperada, the age is 16 years old, the grade is 92. Updated student, we update the record. By this time we have also the name of another student, Jacob Samuel Pomperada, age 18, grade is 88, and the program, thank you for using this program. Okay guys, so this is the end of my tutorial on student records using the concept of encapsulation in Python programming language. Thank you so much for listening and watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.